Today we will show you how to fix this problem. But before we start, I invite you to join our Telegram channel for exclusive sale offers and more. Right click on Start, click on Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right click on it, click on Uninstall Device one by one. Now you need to restart your Windows. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Update and Security. Now if any update available, then update your Windows. And that's it. Thank you for your support. Please do not hesitate to join our Telegram channel for discount offers. Click the link in the video description.